Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to see Roblox account value. So first of all, you can use the Roblox website, log into your Roblox website and navigate to your inventory to see all the items you own, including limited items, accessories, and other assets. By clicking right here the three bars, and you're gonna see the inventory, you're gonna see the items. Manually total the value of your items using the current market price in Roblox. And then you can find these prices in the avatar shop or by checking the recent sales for limited items. And you can use the third-party websites like rollimons.com and then search for Roblox username on the website, and then view the estimated value of your account based on the items in the collectibles you own. And then be cautious when using a third-party website and ensure that they are capable reputable to avoid. So let's read down the comments of this video. I hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.